Hi, I'm Quinn Petrie, and today I will be demonstrating to both new and current Mac users how to create system backups using the Time Machine utility. But first we have to go into why system backups are important. System backups are important in many ways because they can save you from system failures, if you have corrupt files, in case you accidentally delete something, or if you just need to go back to a certain point in time to grab a file. Those are available when you do system backups. So before you can do a system backup, you have to have a drive that is compatible and large enough for your system to be able to save the data. There are two drives that I use, and there are many different types that you can use. They have portable ones like this G drive, which is a terabyte in storage, and they have this Western Digital MyBook, which is 4 terabytes in storage. Either of them will work perfectly fine for system backups, but it is up to you which one you would like to choose. They're both priced differently. This G drive was a little more expensive than the Western Digital just because it is portable. We're going to move on to the demonstration on how to create a system backup on your Mac. Alright, so now to create system backups on your computer, you're going to want to connect the drive to your computer using the included cable or just a cable that is compatible. I'm going to plug it in. And if this is the first time you are creating a system backup on your Mac, you may get prompted asking if you want the drive to be your backup drive. And if you have previously used it, it will not show that. And you're going to have to follow a few steps. So once you have your drive connected to your computer, it should show up on your desktop. And to create a system backup on your computer, you're going to want to click the Apple logo in the top left on the menu bar. You're going to want to navigate to System Preferences and select that. You are going to go towards the bottom of the list and see Time Machine. You're going to want to click that. You are going to see a ton of options, and what you're going to want to do is, if you have a new drive, it won't show anything right here, but since I have backed up before, it'll show up right here. But it's the same process. You're going to click Select Disk. You're going to select your disk that you want to use, and you have the option of encrypting the backup. And if you want to do that, you'll click it. It'll ask you for passwords and everything, and you'll click Use Disk. And once you do that, you're going to want to make sure that backup automatically is on, and Time Machine and the menu bar is on. That'll make it easier for you to access the Time Machines and force it to take one at the time. And you have these options over here in the bottom right corner. This is your options to exclude from your backup. If you want certain things to not back up on there, you're going to select them in this Finder window. And you also have options to back up on battery power and to exclude system files and applications. And then once you decide what you want on there, you can click the Save button, and you're going to close this System Preferences window, and you're going to come up to the menu bar where you added your shortcut, and it's going to show you options like when you last backed up. It's going to give you options to back up now, enter Time Machine, and open Time Machine Preferences, which is just a shortcut to the System Preferences window. So once you have a couple backups in, you are able to go into Time Machine. It'll open a Finder window, and it'll give you different times where you can go back in time and find files and everything. And if you can see where they are. And this is where you can restore files that were accidentally deleted, or if you just need something that you used to have that you don't have anymore. And to get out of there, you just click Cancel and X out of the Finder window. I hope this video helped you out into learning how to back up your system using Time Machine and which drives are compatible to make it a little simpler on your part.